Hello everyone, welcome to Kraken Care. Let's revise the life cycle of malaria in detail. So when the infected female Anopheles mosquito bites a man, the sporozoites that are present inside the salivary gland of the female Anopheles mosquito gets transferred to the cutaneous venules of the man. This man acts as the intermediate host. Why intermediate host? Because it is the asexual cycle that is called as schizogony, and the female Anopheles mosquito acts as the definitive host. Definitive host वो होता है जिसमें sexual cycle होता है, and intermediate host वो होता है जिसमें asexual cycle होता है. Now these sporozoites have circumsporozoid protein on the surface. Circumsporozoid प्रोटीन के मदद से स्पोरोजॉइड्स लिवर सरफेस पे अटैच होते हैं एंड लिवर के अंदर एंटर होते हैं. आफ्टर एंटरिंग द लिवर, दीज स्पिंडल शेप्ड स्पोरोजॉइड्स गेट कन्वर्टेड टू ट्रोफोजॉइड विच आर राउंड शेप्ड. These trophozoites then form pre-erythrocytic schizonts. These pre-erythrocytic schizonts then releases hepatic merozoites which are released into the blood. So this part of the cycle is called as pre-erythrocytic schizogony. Schizogony क्योंकि schizont बन रहा है and pre-erythrocytic क्योंकि blood में आने से पहले हो रहा है. So this is called as pre-erythrocytic schizogony. दूसरा चीज जो लिवर के अंदर होता है, that is sporozoites get converted into hypnozoites. These hypnozoites are responsible for relapse and this is called as exoerythrocytic cycle. Now these hypnozoites are not formed in Plasmodium falciparum. This is formed in vivax, ovale and malari. Then after these hepatic merozoites are released in the blood, they enter inside the RBCs. Inside the RBCs, first they form early trophozoite that is ring shaped in vivax, and then late trophozoite that is amoeboid shaped in vivax. Only in vivax, not in falciparum. Falciparum में भी early trophozoite late trophozoite बनता है, but it is not ring shaped or amoeboid shaped. Then this late trophozoite undergoes schizogony again and forms schizont. This schizont then forms rosette of erythrocytic merozoites inside it, and then this schizont breaks to release the erythrocytic merozoites in the blood. Then whenever this RBC breaks, this schizont breaks and releases erythrocytic merozoites, there is a surge of symptoms in the person like fever, chills, cold. Okay, so this part of the cycle is called as erythrocytic schizogony. Then after this erythrocytic schizogony, these erythrocytic merozoites go to form gametocytes. This is called as gametogony. Gametocytes, male and female gametocytes. The female gametocyte is obviously larger, so it is called as macrogametocyte, and the male gametocyte is smaller, so it is called as microgametocyte. Now vivax, ovale and malari has round shaped gametocytes and falciparum has banana or crescent shaped gametocytes. The diagrams of it and the specificities of it I have explained in short video. Please check that out on Kraken Care. After this, the gametocytes are transmitted to the mosquito again. How will these gametocytes get transmitted to the mosquito? So mosquito has to bite again. तो इसके बाद जब मॉस्किटो पर्सन को बाइट करता है वापस, सो दीज गैमेटोसाइट्स मॉस्किटो के अंदर दोबारा ट्रांसमिट हो जाते हैं, ट्रांसफर हो जाते हैं, बट ऐसे ही नहीं ट्रांसमिट होने वाले हैं. दीज गैमेटोसाइट्स हैव टू बी फर्स्ट मेच्योर एनफ, दे हैव टू बी वायबल एनफ, and they have to be in sufficient density. What is the sufficient density? 12 gametocytes per mm cube of blood. 12 gametocytes per mm cube of blood होना होगा, तभी gametocytes जो है वो मस्किटो के अंदर वापस ट्रांसमिट होगा. After it has entered inside the mosquito again, these gametocytes will form gametes. So macrogametocyte will form macrogamete, microgametocyte will form microgametes. But the difference is that female वाला जो है, that is macrogamete, doesn't undergo exflagellation, डायरेक्टली बनता है. इसीलिए सिंगल मैक्रोगमीट इज फॉर्म्ड, बट मेल वाला जो है दैट इज माइक्रोगेमेटोसाइट अंडरगोज एक्स फ्लैजिलेशन टू फॉर्म 8 माइक्रोगमीट्स. Okay, this occurs by exflagellation. Then these gametes undergo fertilization to form the ookinete. तो पहले ookinete बनता है which is motile and elongated, जो कि मिड गट के लेयर को क्रॉस करने वाला है. ठीक है, जो कि मिड गट के लेयर को क्रॉस करने वाला है, ookinete. Then this ookinete after crossing the mid gut forms oocyst. This oocyst is round shaped and after this it undergoes sporogony. Sporogony का मतलब है उसमें spores बनेंगे. Okay, spores मतलब क्या? Sporozoites. So after this sporogony, that is the sexual part of the cycle. इसीलिए बोला था कि Anopheles mosquito जो है that is the definitive host because उसके अंदर sexual part of the life cycle होने वाला है, that is called sporogony. So this oocyst matures and forms 4 spindle shaped sporozoites in it. Then this oocyst breaks down and these sporozoites are released in the blood and they travel to the salivary gland of the mosquito, and then these sporozoites from the salivary gland of the mosquito gets transmitted to the man again when it bites the man.
So the 4 stages in the life cycle of malaria are pre-erythrocytic, erythrocytic, gametocytic and exoerythrocytic. That is all you need to know about the life cycle of malaria. In the next video, I will be telling you about the treatment of malaria in detail, what drugs are used, the dose, schedule and why we use them. If you have seen the video till here, then tell me in the comment section below, when is the World Malaria Day? Keep studying and subscribe to Kraken Care.